Wow, that light. It just took light to I just brought it back now. Man, I was lost. Why did they take it? I'm still doing video. Alright, so now we're looking at list in HTML. Okay, I'm trying to make this video like fast. So let's just open, let's create a new file. So let's create a new file, a new folder of the lists. Alright, so let's create list.html. Right, and let's create our boiler template, and we're going to put it here as list. All right, and when it comes to list, we have three types of lists. We have ordered, unordered, and definition lists. So ordered lists are simply list items that are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if you're using like set of steps and you want to get good order, you use list. Then another list they begin with bullet points, and definition lists are made up of a set of terms along with definition for each of those terms. So let's start with ordered lists. So I'm going to right click and open this up in a live server. Alright, so basically HTML is simple because you will know what each element means from the tag, from the element's name. So OL simply means ordered list, and in every OL, each item of the list is placed in an opening tag li and closing tag li. So give me an ordered list. Um what's your name? Does that make sense? Or let's just do something like let's say something what I should do today. Order of the program. Okay, this makes more sense. Program. We make this H4. Yeah, this makes no sense. So let's say opening prayer. That's an opening speech. And a welcome address. Um, words of the guest speaker, and testimonials, and closing address. So this is just like small stuff, and I think we can we put this inside there so we can learn together. It's just different, but anyway you choose to do it, I think it's fine by me. So basically this is it. This is how the thing goes. So let's go to the next one. So other lists basically have numbers. So if I use let's go to unordered lists. Or this lists, and I could have what can I put on other list of things I like, list of items I like. So use UL for another list, UL another list, and each element is also wrapped. Each item of this is also wrapped in a li, and here I can I put orange, pineapple, coconut, food, drumming, amazing, setups. Alright. So save this. You have this here. So basically on a list. So let's go down here and we could put H another H1, and let's apply HR here. We already learned HR, so we bad to put it into play. Right. Be adding any spaces and affect it. Just for clearer, better code and more visible code writing. Right. So I'm going to put definition lists here. We're just going to yeah, are some terms you should know. Okay. Yeah. So um you could guess what too. Definition list is simply DL. So every definition list is created with DL elements and usually contains series of terms and their definitions. Right? So and DT is to contain the term being defined. So if I put HTML here, that's the term I want to define. Alright. Then DD is simply used to contain the definition. So I can put HTML stands for hypertext markup language. Alright. It's basically for structure of your web page. I wonder what will happen if Visual Studio add autocorrect. I have a feeling it might have, but it's not really one though. So right there, we'll create another DT, and let's say we want to talk about CSS. Right, to create DD is what we're going to use to contain definition. Right, so you can say CSS stands for cascading style sheet for styling our web page. Then outside, come out and do another DT, and we go for JavaScript. Right, so have DD. So JavaScript is popularly known as the language of the web. It adds functionality to pages. So this is basically it. So this is how you work with nested and everything is usually in like bold and italics in definition list. So we also have this something called that's what's going on. So end here. Because it's looking all we have some was all good. So coming here we have another HR and we call this you could also leave it without a closing tag, like it's still work. Cause so HR so we could have something called nested lists. Alright. So let's say we have a UL, have li of oranges. Okay, let's say fruits, for example. Fruits, alright. And yeah, we could create another list and say orange. And in that list we have li, say orange, watermelon, pineapple, and banana. Right, let's say that we come outside that list and create another list and say sorry something's come on go. So table, right? Now create let's use an OL this time. Create OL. I don't know, give me examples of vegetables. This is sign that I don't eat vegetables. Carrots. So this is spinach, I think. That should be it here. Yeah, cabbage. Yeah. So this is what happens when you use nested. Right, so we could keep nesting and nesting. It all works as beautiful and fine. So for our exercise we're just going to do let's create another file exercise.html. Right, that's for a list exercise. So let's create our boilerplate and let's actually try and get our hands on practice. So list exercise. Exercise. I'm really getting really bad at spelling. I don't know why. I feel sometimes because I'm doing engineering, like, or it's always calculations and you don't really get to use words sometimes. Maybe if you're explaining, still, whatever. So let's do something like H1. This is scrambled eggs, right? Let's say eggs or one. I don't like eggs. My favorite food. Um, check out this recipe for scrambled eggs. So that's an H2 of ingredients. You can always skip this exercise. Don't skip the exercise part. I don't know why I give you the advice just now, because YouTube also checks the if people watched it to the end. So don't skip it. So you have Li. You have 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of butter, and 2 tablespoons of cream. Then let's go to another H. We'll call it methods. I think we can. Let's see how this is looking. I just methods. So go to right click and open this on a live server. Methods, and let's create an ordered list for that since we're writing in steps. So we're going to say melt butter in a frying pan over medium heat. Have you guys actually tried using butter? I'm used to using oil actually, but I realized butter is like this smooth, nice taste it gives to your food. So gently mix the eggs and cream in a bowl. I think you just take this directions. Cream in a bowl, and let's say using a spatula, fold the eggs. I'm writing this from somewhere there. Edge of the pan to the center every 20 seconds. Let's say when the eggs are still moist, remove from the heat. Let's say BR, yeah. It will continue to on the plate until served. Woo. Thank you. So that's the end of our video today, and see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Like, share, and subscribe. Check out my blog too. Yeah, bye.